Gold and silver both traded bullish for the day, as I have asked you to buy at 23.36.38 zone and expect it to move towards 23.51.552 levels, while silver towards 27.75 27.80. Beautifully, both the levels respected so far. Now, what to expect with the US session? There is a data before the US session as well. So, how to profit with that? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, gold, followed with silver. Watch till gold on the hourly charts has been trading in this bullish channel here, and you can see higher highs, higher lows. This is an accelerated bullish channel here. You can see the lows are getting accelerated here. Moving averages have crossed over on the downside. Now previously the resistance are now going to be the supports here. Specifically, if you see gold trading below 23.28.30 zone, then only we should treat this as bearish, else it is still not bearish. It can retrace here, it can come down towards 23.35.36 zone and bounce back from there. That is one possibility we cannot ignore. And why it could? Because see, we have seen straight bullish candles, it can try to yield couple or more red candles from here. MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI overbought, and stochastic coming down from the overbought levels. If you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, after the drop here, remember it is under retracement. Also, what we have discussed earlier in the day has come true. See, I have drawn this for you: rise, retracement, and this rise. So this is continuing on the upside. Now, even if it tries to retrace, what we could look at is this point. Now this point is lying somewhere here at 23.30 23.28 zone. So this is going to be the support zone for the day, and as long as this is respected, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Moving averages have started to convert, sign of bullishness here. If you look at MACD, this is divergent and bullish, RSI rising, stochastic is slightly overbought. On the 3-hour, now see, on the 3-hour charts the observation is similar. You can see a base is getting created here, and this is going to be a support zone which gold should not break, because breaking below this zone is where the bears will be waiting for. Now right now, if you look at on the 3-hour chart, the preceding candle is a greener candle but with a smaller body size, suggests that achieving lower highs, prices may show a pullback and it can try to retrace, or in fact can show a little swing before rising. If you look at the MACD, this is divergent bullish, RSI flat, stochastic is rising here. Coming to 4-hour charts, and before we look into, friends, this is the second update for the day. I always release 2 updates. First update I release with the Asia and Europe session that sets the direction for the day. For example, today those who had watched the first update must have already profited with almost 100 to 150 pips, as we have recommended a buy at 23.36.38 zone. Thus subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates, or join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Do join the channel memberships here on YouTube. That's always a great support. And friends, before leaving the video, do like, share and comment. It is always a great inspiration. Now coming to the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation: rise, retracement or consolidation, then this rise, and this channel is getting created. This is a bullish channel here. Now see, on this channel also 4 bullish candles, then sideways, then couple of bullish candles. There is a possibility that there could be a third bullish candle as well, which can try to take the prices further up. How far it can? We can look forward to 23.62, 23.70 levels as well. It has to stay beyond now 23.54, 55, then 23.60, 62, which is going to be a resistance here, and then I will be looking forward to 23.70 levels. Now this is also very much possible, but I will be looking forward to the slope here. See the slope here, this is sharply bearish, this is a retracement channel here. Thus I will still not see this as completely reversing, because see the slope here and here is different, and thus for a reversal it has to be a V-shaped recovery. It should not take this shape, and thus I do not see it breaking beyond 2400 any point of time soon, and possibly achieving lower highs. It can reverse as well. Right now the moving averages are also trading bearish. Prices have now are trading beyond the 50 period moving average. MACD is divergent bullish looking upwards, RSI is rising, stochastic is back to overbought levels. Coming to daily, on the daily charts we have discussed that see the bearishness got diminished, reversal sign, first bullish candle. Now see what has happened today. If you look at we have seen higher highs so far, and if you connect higher lows, it means there is a possibility for a drop. In fact, even if it drops 23.30, 23.25 zone, we can say it is going to move towards 23.10. Possibility is very strong, because see this can complete the journey on the downside, and from there also we can see a sharper fall on the downside. Be watchful. A complete reversal also cannot be denied, but only and only if it stays, as far as it stays below 23.55, 56 zone, Beyond this, possibility of an increasing bullishness will be seen. Now, before I give you the levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 31st mentorship batch starting week 1st of May. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. In this batch, we share all the tools, concepts, trading strategies, and the trade setup with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades and trade with profits. Do register for it now. Reach out to me for details. And else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who are looking for a broker which is safe, secure, trustworthy, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads where you can save much of your capital by paying less fees to the broker, which offers a swap-free and a low spread account. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Join through the link and you'll get the lowest spreads on offer. Now look at the daily charts and see it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average. Right now getting a little resistance on the upside. But I will say it is still trying to trade bullish. Looking at the formation here, what has happened? See, prices are divergent from the 20 period. It has come to take the support from the 20 period. Now taking the support from the 20 period, it is rising. Also, this can be a reversal sign, but I will wait for a breakout now beyond 23.55, 56 zone. If it stays beyond this, you can stay bullish. We can look forward to 23.60 and 23.70 levels as well. 23.60, 62.5 first target, 23.70 is going to be the next, and beyond that there could be a stronger rise which can in fact take the prices towards 23.80. Be mindful of. Now that is related to the buying entries. The selling entries now, see previously which was the resistance, now going to be the support. Simple, very simple. Those who had watched must recall 23.42.44 zone, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the support. Thus a selling entry is recommended if you see gold breaking below 23.42.44 zone, below which 23.36.38 first target, 23.30 28 the second, and if it drops below 23.38 zone, 30.28 zone, we can look forward to a sharper fall where we can look forward to 23.20, 23.10 levels as well, below which there could be a sharper fall. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see flat resistance here at 27.75, 27.80 zone. Recall, I have mentioned very clearly earlier in the day and several times in my previous updates. First 27.75, 28, 27.80 levels, and then 27.95, 28. Two critical resistances exist for silver here. What is happening for silver? Rise retracement, rise retracement. It is trying to look a little or trying to retrace a little. Where is the support? 27.40 levels. Only bearishness in silver if you see it is staying below 27.40 first and then 27.20. If it drops below these two levels, we can say it is breaking here on the downside. Right now, else if you see rise, retracement and rising again. So it is under this bullish channel as of now. MACD trying to converge, RSI looking downwards, stochastic is dropping as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, after bullish candles, it is trying to retrace. I will not consider this as a reversal. Only and only if it breaks below 27.40 and 27.20 zone, you should treat this as bearish. Else, it is still not bearish here. We have to be careful here. MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI flat, stochastic dropping sharply from the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar observations here. Rise, retracement, rise here, and it is continuing on the upside. And thus a selling entry now is below 27.40 levels only, below which you should treat this as bearish. In fact, rather you can take a sell entry at 27.50. When you see the higher price is below 27.50, you can take a sell entry, but then 27.40, 30, 20. And it has to break these levels on the downside in order to stay bearish. It has to completely stay below this zone in order to confirm a reversal. MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI flat, stochastic is dropping from the overbought zone. On the 4 hour chart, look at the 4 hour charts. Preceding candle is a swing candle, achieving lower lows also. It can reverse and give a stronger bullish candle here. If you look at these candles are consolidatory candles, and then this a stronger breakout has appeared. But I will say that it can erase all the gains as well. We have to be trading with caution. On the upside, 27.75, 80 is definitely a very strong zone, beyond which we can look forward to 27.95, $28 levels as the next, and 28.20 as the next. MACD divergent bullish, RSI flat, stochastic is overbought here. Coming to daily chart, on the daily charts you can look at higher highs, higher lows are seen. Now see, higher highs are done. Can it move towards higher lows or on the downside? That is one possibility we have to look at. Where are the higher lows? $27 level. So if the data is not supportive, it can show a complete swing where it can in fact breach on the downside, and once it drops below 27, there is going to be sharper fall which is waiting for silver after this drop retracement, and this could lead to a sharper fall. Be watchful of this. MACD has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI flat and stochastic rising from the bottom. Looking at this, very simple. You can sell here at 27.50, but you have to be trailing your stop losses. When you see the higher prices below 27.50, you can take a sell, but you have to trail your stop losses with that 10 cents of trailing stop loss. 27.40, 27.20, 27. Very good support level exists here on the upside. And yes, if it breaks below 27, stay bearish. We are looking forward to a stronger fall. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry at 27.80 levels, beyond which you can look forward to 27.95, $28 levels. And if it stays beyond 28, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a stronger rise towards 28, 20 and plus levels. Take your positions accordingly. Do watch the weekly review tomorrow. Do not miss it. Do like, share and comment. Do share, subscribe. Join the free Telegram channel, join the channel memberships, and do join the mentorship batch in the Signals channel. Thank you very much. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.